Hello my dear children, welcome you all to the online math class from Genesis Preschool. Hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to learn number writing. Before that, we can recall the numbers. Then let's say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30. Number 10. Let's write the number 10 really quick. To write the number 10, you have to write first number 1. Start at the top and do a standing line down. Do you remember how to write 0? That's right. You start at the top and make a circle all the way around. Let's make another one. Start at the top and make a standing line to the bottom. Start at the top and make a circle all the way around. This is 10. Let's count how many stars are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Practice it regular and it remained as homework. See you in next class. Goodbye.